Alright guys, I got another one in. Another trailered in. What's up guys, we back with another one. Today we got a single cab MBS all the way from Roswell, New Mexico. We're going to be doing a tiny window. Customer has his own window. We're going to be doing the labor work on it only and get him in and out right away. Roswell, New Mexico in the house. Let's get it. Alright guys, truck is in. Badass. Some badass intros on there. We're going to be doing a tight window install. We'll remove the back one, get it all cleaned up, and get it removed. These windows are easy to remove. The ones that have the little window are a little bit pain in the ass, but I'll take that out. Should take me like 5 minutes. All right, we'll get started. All right guys, back window's out. It's cut on the inside. I'm gonna spray some on the inside for the bare metal. Spray some primer in there so nothing rusts, and then be ready to install. I got the tight window with the seal. If you guys need my seal that I use or my Titan kit that holds the mortar and the regulator, hit me up. I do sell those. I've been selling like crazy. I've shipped from Canada to Hawaii, throughout the whole US. It's crazy. A lot of people buy this and my custom kit. So if you need one, hit me up. Alright guys, she's all done. Check it out.
Perfect.